Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best of the best when it comes to party essentials and celebration must-haves. Today, we're taking a look at what we believe is the best Winnie the Pooh baby shower favor you can get your hands on. The 97 Decor Classic Pooh Bear Baby Shower Decorations. If you're planning a gender reveal, baby shower, or a whimsical birthday celebration, this charming set will elevate your decor game effortlessly. Let's start with the first thing your guests will see, the welcome sign. The set includes a beautifully printed baby shower welcome sign that's perfect for greeting guests as they walk in. Designed with a vintage Winnie the Pooh theme, it captures that soft, storybook magic associated with the 100-acre wood. The design is subtle, using warm whites and earthy browns, staying true to the classic Pooh Bear aesthetic, no loud colors. Just simple elegance that fits right in with rustic or storybook-inspired party decor. Moving on to the table signs, this set includes a total of 9 signs, with at least 2 of them specifically labeled as favor signs. These signs make ideal table centerpieces, tying the entire party theme together in a cohesive and enchanting way. Each sign is pre-printed with thoughtful wording and designed to guide guests around your celebration space. Whether it's the welcome table, the gift drop-off, or the favor station, they add a touch of personality and function to your layout. Crafted from sturdy materials, these signs are more than just pretty prints. They're built to stand upright on tabletops, and the quality of the cardstock and print ensures that they won't curl or fade during your event. The images are crisp, and the vintage Pooh quotes printed on them add a nostalgic, heartfelt atmosphere that parents and guests alike will appreciate. The finish is clean and professional, so you won't have to worry about flimsy decor. These signs look like they were made by a designer. And let's talk packaging. The team at 97 Decor knows how to deliver with care. The signs arrive securely packed, which means no bent corners, no smudged prints, just perfectly flat, ready-to-use decorations right out of the box. That's a huge plus, especially when you're juggling multiple tasks before a big event. What makes this a standout product is its versatility. While it's marketed for baby showers and gender reveals, the classic design makes it suitable for birthdays, milestone photo shoots, or even nursery decor after the party's over. It also makes a thoughtful gift for expecting parents who want to add a personal touch to their celebration or for event planners looking for hassle-free, elegant decor options. With a lightweight package at just 0.21 kilograms, it's easy to handle, place, and even reuse for future events. And because it's from 97 Decor, a brand known for charming and themed party pieces, you're getting a product that aligns quality with creativity. If you're planning a baby shower and want that perfect blend of warmth, nostalgia, and style, the 97 Decor Classic Pooh Bear Baby Shower Decoration Set is a wonderful pick. It's simple, beautiful, and heartfelt, just like the world of Winnie the Pooh itself. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the best products to make your events unforgettable. See you next time.